Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Thanks for inviting me over. Today I'm going to share with you the TSY Top 10 for you, but I have simplified it to 10 crochet questions. So what are 10 crochet questions? It is a once a month tag, so this is August version. I'm a little late. It's a set of 10 questions for you. None of the questions are content creator focused, so you don't have to have a channel to answer them. But if you do have a channel, please consider yourself tagged and make a video answering the 10 questions and tag 3 other channels and 3 of your subscribers. The more subscribers we can include, the better, so I really appreciate your help. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe under this video right now so you don't miss out on any more fun videos just like this. There's also a playlist of all the videos. I'll put it up in the cards. It's also linked in the description box down below. The questions are in the description box under this video, so you can just copy from there to make your own video. And if you want me to add your video to the playlist, just add the hashtag 10cquestions in your title. Okay, here we go. Question number 1. Are you a morning star or a night owl? I'm definitely a morning person. I'm really good in the morning and I'm really crabby at night. Not really crabby, but I like to be in bed by like 8:30. Hopefully before, not that I have to go to sleep, but I want to relax, I want to crochet, I want to watch a little bit of TV, and I want to sleep. Then I wake up in the middle of the night, get some crochet done or some other things, go back to sleep again, and I wake up at 6:30. So definitely a morning person for me. Question number 2. What is your favorite time of day to crochet? My favorite time would definitely be in the afternoon, if I could. In the morning, I like to get all my chores done, whatever work I have to get done. And then in the afternoon, if the kids are busy, they don't need me, they're doing their own thing, they don't want to hang out with mom, I love to hop into bed, cup of tea, remote control, crochet whip basket, and just hook away until dinner. Question number 3. What crochet items would you suggest making to sell at a craft fair or online? I've heard washcloths are good sellers. Everybody can use a good washcloth. And is it fingerless gloves in the West? Those are quite popular. But you tell me your ideas. Question number 4. Have you ever attended any crochet events? I've only attended the ones that I've hosted. So the crochet classes I used to teach, we used to meet up on Saturdays, different coffee shops, things like that. I have not gone to any of those like yarn walks or yarn tours, or where you go like from yarn shop to yarn shop, so exciting, or like those 1 week kind of festivals or weekend ones. Sounds so fun. No, I haven't gone to any of them. Have you? Question number 5. Do you snack while you crochet? You can tell the truth, it's fine. I take breaks from crocheting to go and snack. Like if I'm working on something and it's a bit like boring, and boring in meaning like it's not changing colors, I have like 800 grams of the same color to do, row after row, row after row, row after row, I'll be like, you know what? I can go get some cheese and crackers. But I eat the cheese and crackers separately from crocheting. I sit with my crochet and eat it, but I don't crochet and eat it because of the boogers on my hands. But I drink tea while I crochet. Does that count? Question number 6. How do you choose the colors for your projects? So I start with the one color and whatever color I really want to use for the project, and then I look for 1 or 2 other colors that kind of elevate it or are the opposites on the color wheel. Question number 7. How do you stay motivated during big crochet projects? Those big blankets, those big, long, slow projects. How do you stay motivated? For me, if I have a big project to do, I will save my favorite TV show, whatever TV show I'm into at that time or I really want to watch, and I won't let myself watch it unless I have my hook in my hand and it's actually crocheting. Because I have been known to just kind of hold it and be like, nope, pause the video. I have to start crocheting before I can start watching. And that way I want to watch the TV show and I don't really care what I'm crocheting on. So that kind of takes my mind off of the boringness of a big project. Question number 8. If you could only use 2 colors of yarn, what 2 colors would they be? For me, it would be apple green and cute pink. I love it. I could do pink and green almost forever. I love it. I'd have a hard time not adding other colors to it, but if I could only pick 2 to start, those are my go-to. Question number 9. Where is your favorite place to crochet? Mine is in my bed. I love it. I have everything I need. I have my tissues, my remote controls, my charging stations, my tablet, everything. Everything is right where I need it. I have great light. I have great back support. The trick to crocheting in bed, you have to put your pillows where your working arm can swing freely. You can't be like all stuck with your arms in front. You have to be able to have your, like, swing your elbows back. So it's all in positioning your pillows. Question number 10. What crochet project have you made that you could make again and again? What is your favorite? I would probably, logically, I would pick that polka dot blanket. I think I have made 4, 3 queen size and that chair runner size. So that would be the project I can just keep doing, because you can make the circles just casually watching TV, and you can turn those into squares casually watching TV, and then you can kind of join as you go. And then you have a blanket. So yeah, it's a big project, but it can be done in such small steps that it's really fun. And changing the colors of those polka dots, it's just the right size for me. So the first channel I'm going to tag this month is Crafty Floridian. Hi, Billy. Hope you're doing great. I'm tagging you to make a video. The second channel I'm tagging is Ola Joe, the Crocheting Sailor. Hi, Andrea. Can't wait to see your video. And the third channel I'm tagging is Summer's Tips and Stitches. So I hope you all enjoy making this video and sharing it with your subscribers and other channels. Now for my awesome subscribers, for you, picking only 3 is super hard, trust me, but here we go. The first subscriber I am picking this month is Mary Klieg. Hi, Mary. Can't wait to hear your answers. You can just answer them under this video. The second subscriber I am tagging is Mariska Cilliers. And the third subscriber I am tagging is Carol Dees. And I cannot wait to learn a little more about you. Please go ahead and reach out to those people and those other channels to let them know that they have been tagged. And if you haven't been tagged, I'm still tagging you. Please answer in the comments under this video, and also ask your favorite crochet channels or yarn channels to also make a video. So I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Can't wait for next month, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay hooked.